Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is day 21 of solving daily problems on GFG. Let us see what today's problem is. So the problem says Fibonacci series up to nth term, and today we will solve this problem in Python. And we know Fibonacci series contain of now series of numbers where the next term is equal to the sum of two previous terms. So here you can see initially we have two numbers 0 and 1. Okay, now the next number is the sum of previous two, 0 plus 1. After 2, 2 is the sum of 1 plus 1, 2. So we have to generate Fibonacci series up to n. So we will solve this problem in Python and let us code it here. First we will initialize two variables, a equals to 0 and b equals to 1, and we will declare an empty list here. Now I will append my first value to my fibbo array, which will be a. Then I will append my second value to my fibbo array, which will be equals to b. Now we will run a for loop to check and to run and to calculate for all n terms for I in range 0 comma n, such that now what I will do is fibbo. Okay, I will create another variable res, which will be calculating the next term of my Fibonacci series, which will be I plus fibbo I plus 1. Okay, now next what we have to do is we have to calculate the modulus and then append it to our list. Okay, so now res, I will calculate the modulo with 10 to the power 9 and plus 7. It is calculating the modulo and fibbo dot append. Now at last we should return our fibbo. Okay, so this will range from 0 to n minus 1. Let us compile this again. Now it is producing correct output, and let's just submit this to test for other test cases. So it has successfully passed all the test cases. Okay, and we have solved this problem today with the help of Fibonacci, problem based on Fibonacci series with the help of list and in Python. And here we are calculating the next term, then we are appending it to our list, and this is quite easy. If you have any doubt, leave it in the comment section, and it is an easy level problem of GFG. Please like this video, comment on it, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to get daily notification about the videos I'm posting here, and thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.